Hello people of this world. So I can't believe it's already that time of year. It's the holiday season and Christmas is coming, and also it's closing the end of the year 2019. I'm super excited for everything, and soon I'll be making my whole shoe collection video for you to see. But today I have an exciting collaboration that I want to show you, and it's the Comme Des Garcons x Converse collaboration. And I'm sorry if I'm butchering that name because it's a French word and I'm just not good with that whole French accent. I've been listening to it on my phone for like a couple times, maybe like 50 times.
Comme des garçons.
Comme des garcons, and I just can't get that accent, so what I'm gonna do is just call it CDG for short. And actually, even though it is a French word that it's named after, the brand is named after, it is a Japanese streetwear brand. So, you know, just to clear up any confusion, because I was just looking into it and I thought that was interesting. But I have two of them here with me, the CDG x Converse collaboration. They have this whole line called the Converse Play CDG. There is apparel and everything that goes along with that line, and there are different shoes, but the ones that I got today I feel are the most popular shoes, and I got them both in black color, high top and low top, so I will show you that today. I also maybe wanted to get the white ones, but I ended up not getting them. So today we'll just have one color that I can show you today, and I hope that you all like it. I hope that it lives up to my hype, because I saw other people wore it and I thought it was really cute, and I'm really excited for these. I can't wait to unbox them and show you all. Firstly, I'm just gonna show you how the box looks. I always appreciate really cool and great packaging. I really think that the box of the shoe really helps with the presentation of it. Let me know what you think. Sometimes I just buy things just because of the packaging, which is kind of bad, but if the product is also good, then I'm happy too. But for these ones right here, it's a very simplistic design, which I really like too. It has the Converse Play Comme Des Garcons here, and then as you can see, the red heart logo. I really like how they kept it simple with the black and the white, and it just makes the logo stand out really well. They also have the Converse on each side right here, and on the side they have the logo once more on both sides, the Converse Play Comme Des Garcons with the heart logo again, and they have it also on here too. Let's just go ahead and unbox these. I actually don't really know which one is which, and it really doesn't say. Let me look at the box. Yeah, so the only thing that's different is I think the item code number, so the style number. So let's just go ahead and unbox the first one. And right here we have the Chuck 70 CDG Play black / white / high R, and then the style number is 150206C. I did get this in 7, and these are they're unisex shoes, so please don't get confused when purchasing them. Make sure that you get them in your men's size or your woman's size, or else I did get them in a size 7 men, it would just be way too big for me. So that's just the thing about Converse. Or also, if you're buying them resale, make sure that you just clarify with the buyer if it's men's or women's, because once you buy it resale, then it's pretty bad if it's the wrong size too. So let's go ahead and just open this one right here. And these ones are actually the low top ones. Super cute. Right here. Really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and go closer so you can have a closer look at these shoes. Here are the shoes right here. and I really love them in the low tops too. So this is the outer side view, and then we have the top view right here, the inner side, and the back. And this is just a super gorgeous shoe, and I just want to show you all the details. So we're gonna start right in the front. This is the toe cap right here and the shoe bumper. As you can see, they're both in this white color. It's not super bright white, it's more of an off-white. And I feel that the paint on this is quite different than regular Converse. As you can see, there's a bit of a shine to it. And if you get close enough, you can see the strokes of the paint, but it's not really showing up on camera. Also, this has more of a gummy feel, like those gummy sole. It's not like matte paint, so I really like it. It gives a cool contrast effect with the black, as well as the stitching that they use on the side. I really like how they use the black and the white against the black, and it's super cool. I just love anything with contrast stitching. For the white shoes though, they did do white on white, and I think when you do white with white stitching, it just gives it a more clean look. Like the shoelace right here are also white too. And then also in the back, you can see that there is a white taping, and you'll see that there is a contrast in color with this. So you'll see that this is more of a bright white than this, and you'll see that this has more of a yellow tint to it. And then also in the back, you'll see the Converse All-Star stamp right here with their logo, and then Chuck Taylor. For the outer side, there is the logo that they have on the side here. So when people see you wearing it from the side, they'll see the CDG logo, and I think it's so cute how he's just peeking out right there. And I feel like this design has been the most popular design in the whole play series compared to the other ones. I see people wear this style more, as well with the high tops and the white ones too. I did again have to pre-order these, so I'm just so happy that I was able to get them. And right here in the inner sole, they have once again the Converse Play with the CDG, and then the logo and made in Vietnam right there. Let me just go ahead and look at the tongue. This tongue is just a plain black one, and then the inside of the tongue, we have the information, but it's quite stuck to the bottom there, quite in there. So right there, you'll see the logo appearing again. And then we have all the information of the sizing, so the men's size 5 and women's 7 and so forth right there. For the inner soles right here, there's the 2 grommets that are there. I don't think they have that on the high top ones, but we will see. And just for people who are curious, this is just the outer sole. You'll see the square shapes, and then we have Converse All-Star, and then the men's sizing 5 right there. This is it for these shoes. And then the next one that I'm unboxing will be the high tops then. And they do come in the same size box. The low tops don't come in a smaller box. But these ones are the high tops, since I just opened the other ones. And again, I got them in my own size 7. And then the style number for these is 150204C. That's the same thing, Chuck 70 CDG Play black white slash high R. So they both have the same, exact same descriptions on both boxes, which I think is interesting. But anywho, let's just go ahead and also unbox these ones too. I'm so excited. I actually liked the high tops more than the low tops, but these ones sold out first, so I decided to get the low tops. And then these came back in stock in my size for pre-order, and here they are. I do have them now. They're my babies. They're so cute, and as you can see, it's a very similar style to the low top. It's just that it's different because, you know, the high tops, and then also on the high tops it has the Converse logo on these. So let's just go ahead and give you a closer look at these two so you can see all the detailing, and these are pretty sick, so I'm so excited to show you. Here are the high tops, and I'm so excited for these because I've just been wanting to get these ones originally, and I love them on. I think they're so cool. I actually really like Converse high tops, maybe even more than low tops, so I can't wait to show you these shoes too. This one is the side view right here, and then we have the front, then the inner side right here, and the back. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you from the front, the toe cap. It's a very similar design to the low top, so you'll see a lot of similarities. Again, with the toe cap shoe bumper and the midsole, it's in that same off-white color. The shoelaces are white, and then we have the white contrast stitching. This long stripe taping that is white is just longer because of the high top, and then as you can see, the contrast between this color and then the bright white here. We do have the same rubber stamp, the Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor right here, and then we can see the logo on the side for CDG is just more apparent, and I really love the red against this black background. It just makes it stand out a lot more. I would say the major difference between the high tops and low tops is that there is this Converse logo that is on the side right here. I was mistaken, and there is actually two grommets here that are also on the high top, so that is a cool detail that they added to both shoes. For the bottom of the sole, it's very similar with the square detailing, and then we have the Converse All-Star and then the men's size 5. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the tongue of the shoe. It's all black on this side, and then the inside for the information we have it also on the very bottom. This one you can have a better look at what I couldn't show you on the low tops. Ooh, let it focus. So here is the CDG logo, and then we have all the sizing right there. I just wanted to take a look because sometimes they put different things on the tongue for shoes, and on this side of the shoe there's actually a print here, and it says Converse Chuck Taylor athletic shoe and player's name. So if you want to write your name in there, that is cool. And they do also have that feature for the low tops. So here is the low top again, and they do have it on one side of the shoe, so that is really cool. I like that. And lastly, we have inner sole right here, and you can see the Converse Play, CDG, and then the logos. Everything is very uniform. These shoes are super beautiful, and I'm super excited to wear them. And I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you on the feet so you all can see how they look, and I'll talk about sizing and how comfortable they are. So let's just go ahead and see how they look. For Converse, I always get my original size, but I know that some people may like to go half size up to just be able to slip their feet in and out. I know sometimes the high tops are quite a struggle to get into, and you may need to like untie the shoes to loosen it up a little bit to let your feet go in. But other than that, I just like it in my original size. I feel like it's very true to size with my other Converse too. I think for how comfortable it is, I've just heard from my friends who have flat feet that the Converse just don't give them any support. So if you do have flat feet, I would suggest just buying an insole if you really do like this style. But other than that, I know that they don't give much support because the shoe itself is a very flat design and there isn't much like of a heel or anything. So for me, I think it's really comfortable. However, when I'm touching the inner soles for these, there is a bit of a bounce compared to regular Converse. So I feel that they made the sole like just have a bit of more cushion. So that's a plus. I actually like the design of the high tops more than the low tops because when I saw these shoes first, I just gravitated towards them. But as I said earlier, these sold out first, so I got these, and then I just bought these ones too. But so now I have two, and I don't know if I need both of them. I'm thinking about reselling them. Maybe the low top one. So if anybody's interested, I know size 7 is quite a common shoe size for women. It's pretty average, so let me know if anybody's interested. I might post it on my Poshmark or Depop. I'm not too sure yet. I'm still debating in my mind if I want them both. I do absolutely love both of them, but just with my outfits, I feel like the high top ones will just match my wardrobe more. I feel that these did live up to my expectations. I don't know if everybody is tired. I've watched some videos where they say that it's overrated and super hype, but I really like them just for the simplistic design. I honestly don't really have anything else from this brand. Usually I don't really go based off brands. I just do it by the designs that I like. So that's how I purchase things. So I really like this design, and I'm really satisfied with the end result and the product of this. I'm super excited to wear them. Hopefully you can get them. I'm not sure if these ones are actually on like for sale still. I did have to pre-order them, but the last time I checked, they were doing like a second round of pre-orders. So hopefully they still have that on, or maybe they'll do a third round of pre-orders. I don't know, but I hope that you can get them. And there is other designs for the Play series. They have the ones with the logos that are printed all across, and also polka dot ones, and then some apparel that is super cute. So I'll link everything in the description below, and please let me know what you think. Do you like the low tops more or like the white ones more? Let me know in the comments below. Or if you have any other questions about these shoes, whether it be like sizing or just anything, please let me know. And also any suggestions or shoes that you would like me to check out, I will look at the comments and be sure to reply to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.